This is Butts Arthur on April 25th, 2020. Um, Arthur, his canter's been coming along pretty well, and something I've been working on a lot is trying to keep a rhythm in the canter. I think a little bit from having been free jumped a bit over in Germany earlier in the year, he was being a little bit erratic in his rhythm. So here I'm working on doing a jump on a circle, and the turns are helping to keep the contact and keep the rhythm, so that he doesn't jump and then kind of run off like he did in the free jumps. I start on the right lead. That's right now. He's quite a bit stronger on his right side than his left, so I like to get his jumping positive and rhythmical on his easy side, and then take him over to the left side. Still trying to work on a circle. However, he does like to land on the right lead right now, so it's something I'll be working on trying to correct. But you see, even though I tried to keep a strong turn over the fence, he still liked to land on the right lead there. So in addition to trying to build it just through flat work and jumping and keeping the left lead, we have a lot of hills here, so we try to do the hill work and keep the ground on the higher side. So as I walk up the hills, I try to keep the higher side of the ground on the left side, and make sure that he's getting a little bit more exercise on that left, so we can try to even his strength out. So that was, the warm up, doing the jumps on the curve, and now I'm slowly starting to straighten his approach out now that he has a pretty good contact, and he's been getting better about the rhythm. So I start to do a few more jumps on the straightaway, which is ultimately where he needs to take his training, because the canter is pretty good, and he half halts and comes to the jump well. It's sort of over the jump in a way that I like to see the rhythm continue to improve. But this is a lot better than it was early in the season. And then you see now he's on the straight approach and the straight away. He's actually offering the change, even though he's continuing to want to land on the right lead. He now gets the idea that this is a serpentine exercise now, so he understands with a little bit of half halting, he just offers the change, and he's very, very athletic about that. It's not too often that you have a horse that you can tell what I'm asking. I'm not asking that much. I'm just trying to keep him straight and rebalance a little bit, and he's smart enough to know that we're going to change direction, and he pretty well just offers it. But you can see there just a little bit of drifting right, and that's going to be something that'll take a little bit of time, considering I'm using a lot of jumping on turns to help with his rhythm. So now now that his rhythm's better, he just has to get used to going to and from the jump straight as he is here. He picks it up quite quick. I mean, he sees a very fast learner, and you can see every time he has to do a change, because he still likes to land on the right, the change gets easier and easier. So there he just slides right into it.